Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and today I'm here to introduce you to the Fuji Spray Auto H-V8 HVLP spray gun, another high-performance model in Fuji Spray's full suite of HVLP paint spraying equipment. Designed with Fuji Spray's trusted HVLP technology, the H-V8 is an exceptional choice for base and clear coat applications. Featuring a precise side-mounted fan pattern control that allows you to set your fan width for the exact needs of your project size, the H-V8 is efficient on the job. This high-quality spray gun also features a forged aluminum gun body with anodized internals suitable for waterborne or solvent-based coatings in high production facilities. Additionally, the 360-degree swivel air inlet reduces drag and prevents tangling while you're spraying in the booth. The optimized HVLP air cap is designed to give a soft spray pattern, resulting in an impressive finish. Other features of the Fuji Spray Auto HV8 include air cap sets available in 1.2 to 2.2 millimeters, 9 to 28 psi operating range, 14.7 CFM air consumption, 1.4 millimeter standard air cap set, 325 millimeter max fan width, an ideal weight of only 18 ounces, and it's adaptable to all major disposable cup systems. Now, more convenient than ever, the H-V8 HVLP spray gun and other premium quality spray guns are available to buy directly from Fuji Spray Auto with free shipping worldwide. For more information, visit FujiSprayAuto.com and find them on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.